Discover the top 5 hidden waterfalls in America you must visit. 1. The stunning Havasu Falls in Arizona features turquoise waters and breathtaking cliffs, a true gem. 2. Find the secluded Taughannock Falls in New York, plunging 215 feet amidst lush greenery and tranquility. 3. Explore the enchanting McWay Falls in California, where water cascades directly into the ocean. 4. Visit the picturesque Waterfall in Oregon, surrounded by dense forests and vibrant wildlife. 5. Experience the hidden beauty of Ramona Falls in Oregon, with its unique rock formations and serene trails. Subscribe for more hidden travel gems.